The smart home security industry has sold the same fundamental vulnerability to millions of homeowners for 15 years without disclosing it on a single product box. Every smart camera, every Wi-Fi deadbolt, every app-monitored alarm system, and every cellular connected motion detector in your home shares one catastrophic design flaw. They all require the continued operation of infrastructure they do not control. Power goes out, your cameras go dark. Internet is cut. Your app cannot receive alerts. Cellular signal is jammed. Your monitoring service cannot be reached. A technically competent criminal with a $40 signal jammer available on any electronics marketplace can disable the majority of modern home security systems before stepping onto the property. This is not a theoretical attack vector. It is a documented and increasingly common tactic. The anti-looter kit exists because a former CIA officer named Jason Hansen recognized this vulnerability and built the solution from the opposite design philosophy. Every component operates independently of the grid, independently of Wi-Fi, and independently of any signal that can be jammed. Get the kit from the link in the description right now before you continue, because everything we are about to cover is the problem that system was specifically engineered to solve. The signal jamming attack works because modern smart security devices communicate through radio frequency signals. Wi-Fi at 2.4 or 5 GHz, cellular at the frequencies your carrier uses, Zigbee and Z-Wave protocols for smart home device mesh networks. A signal jammer broadcasts noise across these frequencies at sufficient power to drown out legitimate device communication. Your motion sensor detects movement and attempts to send an alert. The jammed signal never reaches your phone. Your camera detects an intruder and attempts to upload the clip. The Wi-Fi signal is saturated and the upload fails. Your monitoring service never receives the notification. From outside the building, a technically capable intruder has achieved complete communications blackout of your security infrastructure without touching a single device inside the house. The anti-looter kit's mechanical and standalone electronic components have no radio frequency communication to jam. The perimeter tripwire alarm fires a piezoelectric acoustic alarm the instant the wire is broken. The electrical circuit requires no signal to complete and no transmission to reach a monitoring center. The 120 decibel alarm in the dual-function door jammer operates from its own internal battery through a direct mechanical trigger. There is no signal path between the trigger and the alarm, which means there is no signal path to jam. The stealth window alarms with remote controls operate on a dedicated short-range frequency separate from home Wi-Fi and cellular infrastructure. The solar floodlight operates from its own photovoltaic battery system with zero grid connection. The cost comparison that this video's title references reflects a genuine technical reality rather than marketing hyperbole. A comprehensive smart home security system, cameras, doorbell camera, motion sensors, smart locks, monitoring subscription, costs $1,500 to $3,000 at initial installation and several $100s annually in subscription fees thereafter. It is completely defeated by a $40 signal jammer purchased openly online. The anti-looter kit costs a fraction of that figure, requires no subscription, requires no installation professional, and cannot be defeated by signal jamming because it contains no signals to jam. The one mechanical component that can be defeated, a physical door jammer, requires direct physical confrontation with the door itself, which the perimeter tripwire has already announced loudly to the entire neighborhood by the time any intruder reaches it. The layered defense that the anti-looter kit provides, perimeter tripwire early warning, solar floodlight visual deterrence, alarmed door jammer physical block, all-angle motion sensors for interior coverage, and stealth window alarms for secondary entry points, creates a complete security architecture in a waterproof shock-resistant tactical case that installs in 30 to 60 minutes and functions in a complete blackout, during a cellular outage, during a Wi-Fi disruption, and in the presence of an active signal jamming device. Jason Hansen designed this system from the CIA's field security philosophy. The same approach used to protect sensitive outposts in environments where grid power and cellular connectivity were either unreliable or actively hostile. The principle is that a security system dependent on external infrastructure is only as reliable as that infrastructure. A security system with no external dependencies is reliable in every condition. The $40 jammer defeats the $1,500 smart system. The anti-looter kit defeats the jammer by having no signals to jam. The link is in the description. Get the kit before a situation arises where you discover your smart system's failure mode at the worst possible moment. Jason Hansen designed this system from the CIA's field security philosophy. The same approach used to protect sensitive outposts in environments where grid power and cellular connectivity were either unreliable or actively hostile. The principle is that a security system dependent on external infrastructure is only as reliable as that infrastructure. A security system with no external dependencies is reliable in every condition. The $40 jammer defeats the $1,500 smart system. The anti-looter kit defeats the jammer by having no signals to jam. The link is in the description.